That terrible feeling when you just don't know what to get someone. But at Bob's Discount Furniture, you can score great gifts for everyone on your list. Give the gift of happy hosting with a stylish kitchen island. Gift big with a gliding recliner for the afternoon snoozers. I've even got stuff for the kiddos, like my super comfy sploosh chairs. Holiday the Bob's way for haggle and hassle-free gifting.
Oh, my Bob!
Bob's Discount Furniture.
I don't have to understand it. Every step you call me to. All you want is my surrender and a heart that rests in you.
So I choose to trust your timing, even when I feel undone. For your plans are full of mercy, and your faithfulness is strong.
In the waiting, in the still, you remind me to be still. In quiet trust, I rest in you. I know your word is always true. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
When the noise begins to wander through the corners of my mind, you restore the gentle wonder that your peace is always kind.
Every prayer I lift in silence finds its home within your grace. You're the calm within my breathing. You're the steadiness I face. Teach my soul to wait on you. Help my heart to trust you too. Here I lay my every fear in quiet trust. You draw me near. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
are strong when I am broken. You are gentle when I fall, with compassion overflowing. You restore me through it all.
When my heart is torn and restless, when my strength is wearing thin, you remind me you are present. You bring healing deep within.
You correct me with your mercy. You embrace me with your grace. You defend me when I'm weary. You are strength in every place.
In the moments I feel fragile, when my courage slips away, you become my calm and shelter. You're my refuge day by day.
Every weakness, every tear meets your kindness, meets you here.
Strong and gentle Savior, faithful, loving friend, you hold my heart together time and time again. Strong and gentle Savior, keeper of my soul, in your arms forever I am safe and whole.
When the storm around me rises and my footing starts to fade, you remind me of your promise. You will always keep me safe.
When my voice can barely whisper and my prayers are trembling through, in the quiet of your presence I find strength again in you. You lift me, you calm me, you lead me, you heal me. Strong and gentle Savior, you restore me completed.
You surround me with your grace. You sustain me through each place. In your mercy, I am free. In your presence, I can breathe.
Strong and fear. You become my steady shelter. I can feel your presence here. In the chaos of my breathing, when my thoughts are losing light, you remind me you are with me. You restore my fading sight.
Every promise you have spoken stands unshaken through the storm. You're the refuge of my spirit. You're the peace that keeps me warm. When the waves rise up around me and my strength begins to cease, you step in with calming mercy. You're my song of lasting peace.
Every moment,
every tear
meets your stillness,
meets you here.
my rock of peace,
My hiding place, my safe retreat, my saving grace. In every storm, in every need, you stand with me, my rock of
ahead feels heavy and my hope runs low again. You remind me of your nearness. You invite my heart to rest in the quiet of surrender. In the moments I release, you become my strength unshaken. You surround me with your peace. I will not fear, I will not run. Your peace remains when strength is gone. You calm the waves inside of me, my rock of peace eternally. You are steady through the night. You are present in the fight. You are faithful. You don't leave. You bring calm so I can breathe. My rock of peace, my hiding place, my safe retreat, my saving grace. In every storm, you stay with me, my hope, my rest, my rock of peace, my rock of peace, forever near. Your gentle voice casts out my fear. lose my way. Still your mercy finds me, still your grace remains. When the weight grows heavy and my heart can barely stand, you remind me I'm forgiven, held securely in your hands.
Nothing can divide me from your endless love. In the deepest valley, you are close enough.
When the darkness tries to linger and my hope begins to fade, you surround me with compassion, you restore me with your grace. Every burden, every tear meets your kindness, meets you here, held by your grace, safe in your love, covered in mercy, washed in your blood, held by your grace, resting in you, Jesus my Savior, faithful and true.
When my failures try to haunt me and my shame begins to call, you step in with gentle healing. You remind me you're my all.
In the quiet of surrender, as I cling to what you've done, I am strengthened by your promise. Grace forever leads me on.
Grace that lifts me, grace that holds, grace that heals my weary soul, grace unending, strong and sure, held by your grace forevermore.
You are faithful, you are near, you bring comfort, calm my fear. In your presence I am free, grace has always carried me, held by your grace, safe in your love, covered in mercy, washed in your blood, held by your grace, resting in you, Jesus my Savior.